Welcome to Unison World School. I am Cheryl Cubbins, a teacher from the Department of Languages. Unison World School is an all-girls residential school offering quality education. Founded in 2007, our school is set amidst an attractive countryside, just 7 kilometers from Dehradun city centre. Unison's pupils enjoy a calm, happy and purposeful atmosphere, drawing upon the beautiful, tranquil environment at Unison campus. Professional security personnel guard the campus round the clock, and only female security personnel have access to monitoring the chalets or boarding houses where the girls stay. As we move towards the administrative block, on the right of the entrance is the multi-purpose hall. We enter the reception area with designated offices. To the right is the spine area, and as we climb up, beautiful artwork is on display. We enter the bell area and the quadrangle, where the Havan is performed regularly on Saturdays. Our international exchange students too are welcome to take part in the Havan. We are now in the corridors and can catch glimpses of the classrooms where the students of grades 5 to 12 are guided and taught by efficient, experienced staff. The school remains steadfastly committed in providing high-quality teaching in a warm and inspiring environment. We have opted for student-centric, value-based learning. The school has a well-stocked and updated library with fiction and non-fiction storybooks for appropriate ages, reference books, periodicals, and magazines. The computer labs have both Windows and Mac facility with 24/7 internet connections. Biology lab and the robotics lab where the students are taught to prepare their own robots. The physics lab and the chemistry lab for student at work. The fine arts. Beginning with drawing and painting, graphic design where the students work under guided supervision of an experienced staff member, photography, now we enter the textile studio where boutique, embroidery, stitching, tie and dye is taught to the students. We catch a view of our girls busy at crafting beautiful artworks, and then we move to the ceramic pottery. Sculpture as the girls work and shape their models, which are then left to dry and later sent to the furnace for the finished product. Performing arts has students displaying their skills on different instruments like the sitar, the keyboard, the tabla, the drums, or you see them strumming their guitars, which are both hollow and electric. Indian vocal and the Western and Indian dances. performed by the girls for inter-house and inter-school competitions. Now we shall begin to show you our sports arena. The tennis court, the basketball court with a match in progress, judo, and squash. We have skating, basketball, and badminton, and we also offer table tennis. Yoga is performed and hockey is played. We have a swimming, and chess game. The football ground with the play in progress. And we come to our shooting range, where both rifle and pistol shooting takes place. Athletics, volleyball, lawn tennis, and a view of our NCC cadets marching forward, and the audio-visual room, where both academics and projects are displayed, a mini theatre. Our guests are warmly welcomed in the seminar hall. We reached the amphitheatre where the Ramleela is staged every year by the students of grade 11 and the Freshers' Night. The multi-purpose hall gives us a view of to start the day with prayers. The inside view of the dormitory in one of the 4 chalets. Each chalet houses students of grades 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and 11 and 12. The students' recreation room, and study room. The students' uniforms are taken care of in the school laundry and the tailoring room. The main store, a meal in progress in the dining hall where self-service is the norm, the tuck shop, a view of our school medical center with the residential medical officer and resident nurses serving the students round the clock. A counseling session in progress where the emotional well-being of the students are taken care of by a dedicated behavioral and emotional counselor. Our school nutritionist speaking to the girls on mindful eating. Outdoor treks are a favorite pastime of our students. And time is taken out from the busy schedule and spent on community service, where the girls of Unison are happy to teach and spend creative time with the underprivileged section of the society. Their contribution is greatly appreciated by all. Now we come to the end and hope to welcome you someday to Unison World School.
A true leader is the one who has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. Good afternoon. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 14th valedictory and investiture ceremony of our school. It is an auspicious occasion where the office bearers are bestowed with authority along with duties. Let us begin this solemn event by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. Please join your hands in prayer. Do not repeat after me. Lord, we pray for your blessings with absolute humbleness. Give us the wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with all forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Amen. Let us now proceed with the traditional ceremony of lighting the lamp.
Of Lord Ganesha, the little ones of our school are set to present the Ganesh Vandanam.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय दशावतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचेच पाय आम्ही धरितो तुमचेच पाय हे
गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता माता विघ्नाची पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर सिंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव 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 जय देव.
Thank you. I would like to call upon the prefectorial body 2019 to 2020 to lay down their badges. Vice Head Girl, Sanjani Bhattacharya.
I am Sanjani Bhattacharya, Vice Head Girl, Unison World School for the session 2019-20. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Madam Principal, Madam Vice Principal, all the deans, teachers, students and the entire Unison community for believing in me and giving me this golden opportunity to grow, not just as a person, but also as a leader. I truly believe that the word here, community, accurately epitomizes all that we experience at Unison World School. Throughout our school, it is evident that our teachers and students alike all work cohesively to achieve excellence in all and excellence for all. Without a doubt, the curriculum is of paramount importance to us to be as enriched, fulfilling, and educating as possible. All the students here greatly benefit from the excellent teaching methods, which is not only reflected in our above average grades, but also from the positive acknowledgement that we receive. Apart from this, the school goes to great lengths to ensure that the students are able to achieve their full potential by providing us with a myriad of extracurricular activities. Throughout the previous session, the prefectorial body has worked as a team to ensure maximum participation of students in various in-house and inter-school events. With the increase in participation, the school was able to receive innumerable accolades in all areas. To list a few, in the field of academics, our school bagged the first position in the Indian National Space Settlement Design Competition, and we stood runners-up in the Asian round. In co-curricular activities, we hosted the Spitmackey State Convention, and our annual prize distribution was a huge success. Last session, we were able to organize 7 inter-school sports competitions, and 90% of our girls had participated in the intramural sports events. We have tirelessly worked in the best interest of the school and have inculcated the values of discipline, cooperation, obedience, and punctuality amongst the students. We have indeed gained a lot from this institution, for which I will always be indebted to all my mentors and fellow students. I am extremely privileged to have served the school and led the student body for the last session. And now, with a sense of absolute honor, I lay down my badge of Unison World School's Vice Head Girl 2019-20.
Academic Vice Prefect Sunandini Chakrabarti.
I, Sunandini Chakrabarti, UWS Academic Vice Prefect for the session 2019-20, am thankful to all the students and staff for giving me the opportunity to serve the school. I can proudly say that during this time, efforts were made to improve not only the academic results, but also participation in literary and STEM competitions. The results of ICSE, ISC, IGCSE and A-levels for the session 2019-20 reached its greatest benchmark. The average result for ICSE and ISC was above 85% for all the sections and streams. Our school participated in over 26 literary events and 5 STEM quizzes and competitions in the previous session. We participated in INSSDC, a space settlement competition, and we were a part of the winning team in the national round. And hence, we participated in the Asian round, ARSSDC. Over 50 inter-house academic competitions were conducted, and inter-house Shakespeare Dramatics competition was conducted where every student took part enthusiastically. In the previous session, competitions and their performances taught the students lessons of life, which I consider to be a success for a leader. I now lay down my badge as the Vice Academic Prefect 2019-20.
Sports Vice Prefect Divyansh.
Hi, Divyanshi, the Sports Vice Prefect of Unison World School for the session 2019-20. I'm thankful to all the staff and students for giving me an opportunity to serve the school. I can proudly say that during this period, the school has steadily progressed in improving the quality of its sports programs. In intramural sports, close to 90% of the students participated in one or the other sport. In extramural sports, we participated in around 78 events, hosted 7 inter-house tournaments, and 55% of our students represented the school in 13 different sports. The fitness tests introduced in the previous session were conducted with better results, and students were encouraged for greater achievement by introducing fitness gold, silver, and bronze awards. The outgoing batch students were awarded the Sports Colours and the Best Sports Person of the Year award for excellent efforts and performances. We also began the Junior NCC wing and introduced local trekking activities. As a sports leader, I realized the value of sports in all-round development of my personality and the importance of teamwork. I have also learned that entrusting people with responsibilities makes them stronger for life. Now, with a sense of great honor, I lay down the badge of Unison World School Sports Vice Prefect 2019-20.
Activities Vice Prefect Disha Nagpal.
Here, I, Disha Nagpal, Activities
Activity Vice Prefect of Unison World School for the session 2019 to 2020. I'm standing here thanking the school and the teachers and all my fellow students and classmates who trusted me and believed in me for my tenure for the last session. I would like to highlight all the improvements and activities that the school was indulged in for my tenure for the session 2019 to 2020. Introducing new clubs and societies to already a huge list of clubs and societies, the students learn the value of work ethics and how to participate and make themselves a better person. The all-round development of students was also seen as there were introduced a lot of new intra as well as inter-school activities. A lot of awards were also backed by the students, which only proved how they were willing to improve and make themselves a better person day by day. Our school hosted many inter-school events such as Harmony, All India Spectrum and Spikmike State Convention for the last session, which was in all a great success. Our founders for the session 2019 to 20 was also a huge success as all the Athenas were seen participating with great excitement and vigor. Mr. Sonam Mamchuk, a chief guest for the event, also praised our Athenas for the same as he went around the school looking at the exhibition and also witnessed our cultural event with the theme Navras. At last, I am proud to say that my tenure for last year was in all a great learning opportunity for me, which made me learn out of classroom qualities for myself, which led to my personality development, and I can surely say that all the students that participated have had the same experience. At last, with great honor, I would like to lay down my badge for the Activity Vice Prefect of Unison World School for session 2019 to 20. Thank you.
Daffodil House Vice Prefect, Arshi Mittal.
I, Arshi Mittal, UWS Daffodil House Vice Prefect, Session 2019-20. I'm thankful to all the students and staff for giving me the opportunity to serve the school. I can proudly say that during this period, the Daffodil House has progressed steadily in disparate competitions ranging from arts, music, dance, sports, and academics. It has shown a tremendous improvement by acing in most of the competitions during the unfortunate times of COVID-19. Continuing the series of achievements, it also bagged the first position in the annual sports meet Spartha 2019-20. On the whole, I can proudly say with great pride that our house has excellated in a holistic manner throughout the journey, which would surely have been impossible without the support of our house coordinator Shalu ma'am, Deputy House Coordinator Nitin sir, Assistant Coordinator Vidushi ma'am, all the teachers associated with the house and certainly all the students of the house. Upholding the motto of modesty, I can say that in all the tasks we together have succeeded with the qualities of humility, teamwork and cooperation inbuilt in us. Now, with a sense of great honor, I lay down my badge of UWS Daffodil House Vice Prefect Session 2019-20.
Jasmine House Vice Prefect, Karuna Karki.
I, Karna Karki, the Jasmine House Vice Prefect of the session 2019-20, am very grateful to all the staff and students for giving me such an opportunity to serve my house. My experience of working with the house has been based on mutual understanding and learning, diligently working together for a common goal and motivating each other throughout. In every competition, winning and losing has taught us something important. We've learned that hard work always pays off and what really matters is the working phase and not the result. At last, I'd like to thank all the members of Jasmine House, the teachers and the people who supported me throughout the year. Now, with a sense of great honor, I lay down my badge of the Vice Jasmine House Prefect 2019-20.
Orchid House Vice Prefect, Sana Agarwal.
I, Sana Agrawal, the Orchid House Vice Prefect for the session 2019 to 2020, would like to thank all the teachers and the students for giving me this opportunity to serve our school. I can proudly express that during my tenure, our house has consistently improved its performance. Though there were phases when we lagged behind or could not perform up to the expectations of our teachers, the overall growth has always been in the upward direction and we eventually came around and showed our true colors of talent. Few of the competitions in which Orchid House exceeded everyone's expectations are fusion dance, inter-house best out of waste, western dance, etc. The overall rate of our participation of the members of the house has significantly increased over the past year. Each member of our house has been very cooperative and inclined towards the betterment and growth of the house. As a leader, I have learned a lot about myself and how to manage a team. I have definitely grown as a person and realized the value of teamwork and patience. I now know that if shown the correct direction and opportunity, any person can excel. With the feeling of pride in my heart and my head held high, I now lay down the badge of Orchid House Vice Prefect for the session 2019-20 and mark the end of my tenure.
Tulip House Vice Prefect Preet Jakhar.
I, Preet Jakhar, the Tulip House Vice Prefect for the session 2019 to 2020. I am thankful to all the staff and students for giving me an opportunity to serve my house. My experience of working with the house has been based on mutual understanding and learning. Diligently working together for the common goal, motivating each other, winning as well as losing has taught us something important for life. At last, I would like to thank all the Tulip House members, the teachers, and all those who cooperated and supported me throughout the year.
Thank you for your valuable contribution to the school. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. With this thought in mind, let us commence with the 14th investiture ceremony. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected cabinet. Donning the mantle of responsibility, they all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities. We now begin the pinning of badges with our newly elected head girl, Sinjini Bhattacharya. Sinjini is a vivacious and versatile person who displays interest in a wide range of activities. Being reliable and approachable, she is well liked by her peers and juniors. She is a polished orator, and this has made her win several accolades like debates, declamations, and MUNs. She has a big passion for music, dance, and event management. Her innovative ideas and creativity are appreciated by all. She is a leader par excellence.
I, Sinjini Bhattacharya of grade 12, accept the honor of being the head girl of Unison World School for the session 2020-21. I express my deep gratitude to all the students and teachers of the school, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Next, we have the vice head girl, Adya Ritesh Sood. Adya joined the school in 2016. She has served as the junior coordinator of Daffodil House for the session 2017 to 2018. She is a district level basketball player and has excelled in debates and MUNs alike. She takes immense interest in playing the tabla and also has a senior diploma in the same. She believes in promoting cohesiveness and discipline in all domains.
I, Adya Ritesh Sood of grade 11, accept the honor of being the vice head girl of Unison World School for the session 2020-21. I express my deep gratitude to all students and teachers of the school, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Following the trait is the academic prefect Ananya Khemka. Ananya Khemka joined the school on 3rd April 2015. She has keen interest in graphic designing and playing badminton. Her meritorious determination has helped her to achieve commendable academic results. She believes in honesty and hard work.
I, Ananya Khemka of grade 12, accept the honor of being the academic prefect of Unison World School for the session 2021. I express my deep gratitude to all the students and teachers of the school, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Coming up next is our academic vice prefect Ayuniza Beniwal. Ayuniza joined the school in 2016. She is a diligent and hard-working student who strongly believes in the value of respect and an attitude of helpfulness. She takes keen interest in classical dance as well as participating in various literary events. She believes in participation as a means of developing oneself.
I, Ayuniza of grade 11th, accept the honor of becoming the academic vice prefect for the session 2020-21. I express my deep gratitude to all students and teachers, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Now we have our sports prefect Divyanshi. Divyanshi joined the school in 2015. She is a national level volleyball player and a state level squash player. She is also a keen debater and firmly believes in hard work and perseverance.
I, Divyanshi of grade 12th, accept the honor of being the sports prefect of Unison World School for the session 2021. I express my deep gratitude to all the students and teachers of the school, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Next we have Nidha Ashraf, the vice sports prefect. Nidha joined Unison World School in 2013. She is a national level football player. She takes keen interest in sports and is open to any challenges.
I, Nidha Ashraf of grade 11, accept the honor of being the sports vice prefect of Unison World School for the session 2021. I express my deep gratitude to all students and teachers of the school, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty.
Now we have our activities prefect Libya Khullar. Libya Khullar joined the school in 2016. She has keen interest in playing guitar and has a firm hand in photography as well. She is an active footballer. She believes that one should have the courage to accept any challenge that comes their way.
I, Libya Khullar of grade 12, accept the honor of being the activity prefect of Unison World School for the session 2020-21. I would like to express my deep gratitude to all the teachers and students of the school, and I promise to deliver my best on duty. Thank you.
Next up is our activities vice prefect Ardas Kaur Padam. Ardas joined Unison World School in 2015. She has participated in various inter-school performing arts and fine arts competitions and won many awards. She also takes keen interest in playing squash and doing photography. She is always open to new ideas and concepts and is here to help you in every way possible.
I, Daskar of grade 11th, accept the honor of being the activity vice prefect of Unison World School for the session 2020-21. I'm thankful to all the teachers and students for bestowing me with this opportunity, and I promise to serve my best in the line of duty.
Now, we will begin with the house prefects. Arshi Mittal, Daffodil House Prefect. Arshi Mittal joined the school in 2015 on 1st of April. She stringently believes in modesty, humility, and positivity. She has qualified 2 levels in Trinity examination of guitar and is also a part of the editorial board of the school newsletter. She takes a keen interest in academics and friend speaking. She possesses the qualities of affability and empathy.
I, Arshi Mittal, of grade 12, accept the honor of being the House Prefect of Unison World School Stafford House for the session 2020-21. I'm thankful to all students of my house and teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Ananya Agarwal, Daffodil House Vice Prefect. Ananya Agarwal joined the school on April 1, 2015. She's a district level table tennis player and a keen guitarist. She displays great skills in fine arts and also likes to sing. She has great communication skills, is empathetic and approachable.
I, Ananya Agarwal of grade 11, accept the honor of being the House Vice Prefect of Unison World School Stafford House for the session 2020-21. I am thankful to all students of my house and the teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver the best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Simone Chavla, Daffodil House Vice Prefect Junior. Simone Chavla joined the Unison family in 2019. She has represented the school in many basketball tournaments. She displays keen interest in playing drums. She is honest, approachable, and believes in hard work.
Simone Chavla of grade 8 accept the honor of being the House Vice Prefect Junior of Unison World School's Daffodil House for the session 2020 to 2021. I am thankful to all the students of my house and teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Karuna Karki, Jasmine House Prefect. Karuna joined Unison World School on 1st April 2015. She firmly believes in simplicity and hard work. She takes keen interest in playing guitar, swimming, and classical dancing.
I, Karuna Karki of grade 12, accept the honor of being the House Prefect of Unison World School Jasmine House for the session 2020-21. I'm thankful to all the students and teachers of my house for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver the best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Reet Kandhari, Jasmine House Vice Prefect. Reet Kandhari joined Unison World School in 2016. She has brought home several Best Speaker awards and won the 3rd Best Speaker in All India Frank Anthony English Debate. She has taken part in writing
I, Reet Kandhari of grade 11, accept the honor of being the Vice House Prefect of Unison World School of Jasmine House for the session 2020-21. I thank all the students of my house and teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to give my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Sarayu Gupta, Jasmine House Vice Prefect Junior. Sarayu joined Unison World School on 1st April 2018. She is a national level shooter with many medals to her credit. She is in the school choir and plays harmonium and takes interest in music. She actively participates in many inter-house competitions.
I, Sarayu Gupta of grade 8, accept the honor of being the House Vice Prefect Junior of Unison World School's Jasmine House for the session 2020 to 21.
I am thankful to all the students of my house and the teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to do my best in the line of duties. Thank you.
Sana Agarwal, Orchid House Prefect. Sana Agarwal joined the Unison family on 1st April 2015. She is an international level shooter. She takes keen interest in photography and classical dancing.
I, Sana Agarwal of grade 12, accept the honor of being the Orchid House Prefect for the session 2020 to 21. I thank all my students of my house and teachers for trusting me with this responsibility. I promise to work with utmost diligence and sincerity. Thank you.
Ananya Agarwal, Orchid House Vice Prefect. Ananya Agarwal joined Unison in 2017. She excels in her academic performance and enjoys sculpture. She exhibits great keenness towards MUNs and dramatics.
I, Ananya Agarwal of grade 11th, accept the honor of being the House Vice Prefect of Unison World School's Orchid House for the session 2020 to 21. I am thankful to all students of my house and teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Itisha Singh, Orchid House Vice Prefect Junior. Itisha joined the school in 2019. She takes keen interest in swimming and dancing. She is good in academics and believes in hard work and positivity.
I, Itisha Singh of grade 8, accept the honor of being the Junior House Vice Prefect of Unison World Schools, Orchid House for the session 2021. I thank all the students to having faith on me that I am capable of handling up this role. I assure that I will accomplish my responsibilities successfully and execute my duties wholeheartedly and tirelessly. Thank you.
Preet Jakhar, Tulip House Prefect. Preet Jakhar joined the Unison family on 3rd April 2013. Since then, she has participated in various competitions of computer graphics, including inter-house, inter-school, and twice in Spectrum. She has played district and state tennis tournaments. She believes in empathy, honesty, and hard work.
I, Preet Jakhar of grade 12, accept the honor of being the House Prefect of Unison World School's Tulip House for the session 2020-21. I am thankful to all the students of my house and the teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Sirilak Poniam, Tulip House Vice Prefect. Sirilak joined the school in 2013. She takes keen interest in playing guitar, bass, football, skating, and swimming. She firmly believes in working smart and not hard.
นั่นแหละพอแค่นั้น
I, Sirilak Ponjab of grade 11, accept the honor of being the House Vice Prefect of Unison World School Tulip House for the session 2020-21. I am thankful to all my students of my house and the teachers for bestowing me with this wonderful opportunity, and I promise to deliver my best in the line of duty. Thank you.
Lavanya Munjal, Tulip House Vice Prefect Junior. Lavanya Munjal joined on 1st April 2018. She is a sharpshooter and has represented her school at national level. She has participated in many inter-house competitions. She is cheerful, friendly, and always committed to her house.
I, Lavanya Munjal of grade 8, would like to accept the honor of being House Vice Prefect Junior of Tulip House Unison World School for the session 2020 to 2021. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the teachers and students who have trusted me and who have put their faith on me. I promise I will perform my duties honestly and carefully. Thank you.
It is now time to witness the much anticipated oath taking ceremony performed by the neutral prefects who take the oath of office with the promise that they would carry out their duties with integrity, faith, and excellence. I would now like to invite our worthy principal, Mrs. Divya Dwivedi, to address and administer the oath to the new prefectorial body.
Dear colleagues, and my dear girls, it is my distinct honor to address all of you on this momentous day of the 14th investiture ceremony of Unison World School. It is a special day indeed in the life of each Athena. While some of you will be wearing the mantle of responsibility, others will aspire to follow your footsteps. For if you are a leader, then you lead, and lead from front. If you are a leader, then you are humane. You sense hearts. If you're a leader, then of all things, you are valued for what you practice. If you are a leader, then you may fail sometimes and quickly turn setback into success. If you're a leader, then you think ahead and initiate timely steps. If you are a leader, then the buck stops with you. You always take the onus. If you are a leader, then you create. You create more leaders of good worth. If you are a leader, then designation is merely just a symbol. You value responsibility and work. If you are a leader, then you stand by those who imbibed you trust. If you are a leader, then you sacrifice. You sacrifice for right and just. If you are a leader, then you reach deep till the gatekeeper at your doorstep. For if you're a leader, then you will be missed. You will be missed for your absence, for your empathy, for your love and help. The Prefectorial Council at Unison World School comprised generally of 16 members, 8 for neutral posts, while 8 of house posts. This year, we are reintroducing another 4 posts of the junior vice prefects so that the representation is equally distributed throughout the school. These junior vice prefects are from class 8 and they are ready to follow the footsteps of their mentors and seniors. My dear children, this badge that you are about to receive today is a sign of the trust that the school has invested in you. This entrusting of responsibility is an acknowledgement of your passion, your ability, and willingness to serve this hallowed institution. However, the deciding factor to your success in this role will be your attitude towards it. Hold yourself to the highest standards possible, for your conduct is going to trickle down and inspire your juniors. Pass on your passion to the next generation, just as you would have received it from your seniors. My dear girls, student leadership is about taking initiative. It's being like the driver, rather the engine itself. Many a times you will have to roll your sleeves up and demonstrate things to others by doing it yourself. That's how you'll be able to pull everybody along. You will have to show them how to be a team player. For that, you will have to be self-motivated so as to be able to motivate others. You will have to be mindful that this prefectorial responsibility and work should not come. It cannot come at the expense of your academic performance. You must strive for better results, both academically as well as everywhere else. This badge does bring some authority with it, but a lot of responsibility. It gives you an opportunity to serve your peers and your juniors, your school, and in turn, what do you get in return? Well, my dear girls, you get rich dividend. You get experiences. Experiences may be good or bad, happy or sad, but experiences nonetheless. And these experiences are your learning opportunity, and you will be the richer for it. So basically, these rich experiences are your opportunities for growth. So remember that every step you take, every move you make, there are 550 students and teachers watching you always. This role, well played today, is going to set you up for life. It will help you in the molding of your personality. You do not have to do much about that. You just have to remember that you become what you think you are. So all you have to do is to get into the shoes of your role model, act in that fashion, and you would have done just fine. My dear girls, leadership is about being yourself. You should not run for perfection. Rather, I would say, go for excellence. Strive for excellence in whatever you may do. As prefectorial council, as the captains of the school, you are first amongst your schoolmates here at school. However, once outside school, this badge will mean little to others. But with you it is going to stay forever. Living the life of a prefect while at school, you would have added a dimension to your personality. But come to think of it, one's personality it's an ever-evolving trait. It's a work in progress. So don't just stop here. Believe in yourself always, today and always. Be the best version of yourself in each and every of your endeavors. You are entrusted with the welfare of your peers and juniors. Serve them well. Uphold the ethos and honor of the school. Above all, be just, fair, and liberal in your beliefs, thoughts, and action. Although it's a huge challenge that you have taken, believe me, this challenge is not insurmountable. Just keep a little mantra in your mind. You have to be strong, but not rude. Be kind, but not weak. Be bold, but not a bully. Be thoughtful, but not lazy. Be humble, but not timid. Be proud, but not arrogant. Have humor without folly. My dear girls, It is time now for us to take the oath of office. I hope you all are ready. I,
Sanjini Bhattacharjee, head girl.
Adya Ritesh Sood, vice head girl.
Ananya Khemka, academic prefect.
Ayaniza Beniwal, academic vice prefect.
Divyanshi, sports prefect.
Nida Ashraf, sports vice prefect.
Ribha Khuller, activity prefect.
Ardas Kaur Padam, activity vice prefect.
Arshi Mittal, Daffodil House prefect.
Ananya Agarwal, Daffodil House vice prefect.
Simone Chawla, Daffodil House vice prefect junior.
Karuna Karki, Jasmine House prefect.
Reet Kandhari, Jasmine House vice prefect.
Saryu Gupta, Jasmine House vice prefect junior.
Sana Agarwal, the Orchid House prefect.
Ananya Agarwal, Orchid House vice prefect.
Itisha Singh, Orchid House vice prefect junior.
Preet Jakhar, Tulip House prefect.
Sedak Ponya, Tulip House vice prefect.
Lavanya Munjal, Tulip House vice prefect junior.
solemnly promise.
Firmly.
But in a fair and wise
manner.
To set an example.
To set a
high example.
In my own conduct. Wherever I may be. To always do my best. To uphold the motto of my school. Honor. Discipline. Integrity. In full faith. My dear girls, please accept my heartiest congratulations. My best wishes are with each one of you. Good luck and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the House Prefects will administer the oath.
We, the members of Daffodil House, pledge to lend all our support to the House. Do you? We do. To abide by all the rules and regulations of the House in word and spirit. Do you? We do. We will prove true to the motto of our school. Do you? We do. We shall work together for the glory and prestige of the House and school. Do you? We do.
We, the members of Jasmine House, pledge to lend all our support to the House. Do you?
We do.
To abide by all the rules and regulations of the school in word and in spirit. Do you?
We do.
We shall prove true to the motto of our school. Do you?
We do.
We shall work together for the glory and prestige of our house and school. Do you?
We do. We, the members of Orchid House, pledge to lend all our support to the House. Do you? We do. To abide by all the rules and regulations of the school in word and spirit. Do you? We do. We will prove true to the motto of our school. Do you? We do. We shall work together for the glory and prestige of the House and school. Do you? We do.
We, the members of Tulip House, pledge to lend our support to the House. Do you?
We do.
To abide by all the rules and regulations of the school in word and spirit. Do you?
We do.
We will prove true to the motto of our school. Do you?
We do.
We shall work together for the glory and prestige of the House and school. Do you?
We do.
As we congratulate all the prefects for their representation as leaders to lead the school in its successful march towards perfection in all the activities, I now invite the school head girl Sanjini Bhattacharjee to address the gathering.
Being elected as the head girl of this esteemed institution has brought a sense of triumph and responsibility in my mind and heart. Becoming the representative of students, each with great potential, is certainly a privilege. Leadership to me is having a vision that is well communicated and taking effective action to realize your own leadership potential. This auspicious occasion has reminded me of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar, who in 1910 composed this poem of envisioning women of India. She walks with a raised head, with her eyes looking straight. She has her principles, unafraid of anybody. She has a lofty and knowledge-based pride. Such cultured women don't falter from the chosen path. She drives ignorance away. She welcomes the bliss of life. With a learned mind, this is the dharma of the emerging woman. For me, Unison World School has been a home for more than 7 years. Every moment spent here has become another story to tell. Every experience has made me the person who's standing before you. Every unforgettable moment that I have spent here shall remain with me my entire life. Joys, sorrows, victories, and defeats. Unison World School has always been defining my identity. It has been and will be a place where there is always freedom of thought, word, and action. When I succeeded, teachers and friends encouraged me further. When I stumbled, there weren't many people giving me a 10-point theory on how to overcome failure. I was told that leadership was not about how many times you stumbled and fell, but how fearlessly you picked yourself up and carried on with life's journey. They would watch me dust myself, stand up on my own, and rise again. That has been my biggest learning here. The school has prepared me for any eventuality and taught me how to be vigilant and tough in a fiercely competitive world. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at Unison World School. And now, in my final year, this is my chance to give something back. As the head girl, I aim to represent the school community to the best of my ability, with honesty and enthusiasm, to give each student a voice and the confidence that their opinions will be heard by the school. As your head girl, I will do my very best to help you in any way that I can. Don't be afraid to ask any questions or look for advice or guidance, no matter what, no matter how big or small. Remember, a problem shared is a problem halved. I believe that you have the power to change the perception, to inspire and to empower. So don't be worried when you face academic pressure, performance pressure, or peer pressure. Just know that these parts of your life are refining you to become those powerful, inspiring, and empowering diamonds that I see growing before me. As I embark on this new journey, I hope that I will be able to add to your success and happiness, that it will provide us with many new experiences and opportunities, and we will grow together as a school community. A special welcome to all our new entrants. I know 7 years ago, I was where you are today. My advice to you would be, this is definitely the beginning of something very special. You will find the most wonderful friends who will share this journey with you through your school years. Get involved and seize every opportunity that you get. The privileges provided by this institution shall never be taken for granted. Thus, as Athenas, we must never get complacent and rest on our laurels. We can reflect on our achievements, but there's always room for improvement. And hence, we must continue to strive for progress. I thank all my fellow students for using your vote, your voice, to express your confidence in me. I am grateful for having been blessed with this opportunity to serve my alma mater and you, my schoolmates, as the head girl. I pledge to sincerely live up to all my promises. Now, it is time to say thanks to our beloved teachers. What can I say? Without your support, your care and concern for us, your constant endeavors to bring out the best in us, your instilling in us a sense of values and priorities in life, your teaching us the importance of managing time, and above all, your being with us for any help that we needed. Yes, all these and more have made our life in the school the happiest and the most meaningful period of our lives. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Madam Principal, Madam Vice Principal, all the deans, teachers, pastoral team, and the admin and support staff for leaving no stone unturned and for supporting us in every way possible. Thank you, Unison World School, for helping me spread my wings and reach greater heights. On behalf of the entire prefectorial body, we promise to be responsible and retain the best possible conduct throughout the year. We recognize that we need a spirit of victory, a spirit that will carry us to our rightful place under the sun, a spirit which will recognize that we, as inheritors of a proud tradition, are entitled to a rightful place on this planet. If that indomitable spirit was to arise, we can work as a team, and nothing can hold us from achieving our rightful destiny. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjini. I request the Dean of Activities to give a report on the 14th investiture ceremony.
Namaste everyone. I take the proud privilege to present before you a brief report of the entire election process. The 14th prefectorial body election presented all of us the challenge of conducting a creditable and transparent election online. The active process began exactly a month before, when on 20th June 2020, the students were notified to fill in their initial nomination forms. The aspiring students were screened at 2 stages. Accordingly, 2 forms were created: the primary nomination form and the secondary nomination form. All students of the school were circulated with the primary nomination form. The filling up of primary nomination form by a student helped us register her willingness to render her services to the school as part of prefectorial body. The primary nomination form had provisions of an objective points criteria to enable the initial assessment of the student leaders' overall personalities suitability for the post. The points tally included the following: the academic acumen weighted for a total of 13 points, 5 points were for academics results, while 8 points could be gained by participations in literary MUN events. The point claimed were verified by respective heads of the school and dean activities. The sports achievements from international to inter-house participation accounted for a total of 8 points, and they were verified by HOD Sports. Fine art events participation at different levels could fetch a maximum of 8 points, and related claim were verified by HOD Fine Arts. Performing art like dance, music, singing participations at different levels could again one another 8 points, and the points claimed were verified by HOD Performing Arts. Community service points were awarded separately, with each visit accounting for a point up to a maximum of 5 points. The same were duly verified by community service head. IAYP gold, silver, bronze performance were also recognized for 3 to 1 point respectively. The good personal hygiene and behavior in chalet could fetch a student a maximum of 5 points. Their claim was verified by respective chalets in charges. For new students and staff ward, the points to be, that is the points of 5 marks of chalet, that is personal care, has been excluded from their tally points. In this way, an old students of school prefect in all aspects could gain a maximum of 47 points grade 8th, 50 points grade 11th and 12th, while a new students or staff ward could get a maximum of 42 points and 45 points respectively. After going through all the primary nomination forms, the cutoff for junior was decided to be 30% and above, while that for the seniors was 20% and above. In this way, the initial application of 82 students was shortlisted to 57 students. These 57 students were provided with the secondary nomination form. This form was designed to further refine the list of students, 4 per neutral or house positions and 2 for juniors. The students through this form were asked to submit their post preference for the positions. This was done with a view to allow the students to explore her maximum potential. The arrangement was provided challenge as well as safety to the student leaders. In this form, the students were asked to fill up the reasons for their post preference. The school's neutral posts were open only to the students who had been part of the school since grade 9th. Once the aspiring student leader indicated her post preference, she was again awarded with points by her immediate vice prefect, prefect of the school, as well as by the 3 deans of the school to find the stability of the aspiring student leader for the opted post. The secondary form could fetch a student of a maximum of 15 points for grade 8th and 11th students and 12th point for grade 12th student. The point thus gained were added to the student tally points of a primary nomination and to bring out the overall list. A maximum of 62 points could be gained by grade 12th and 8th aspiring prefects, while the grade 11th prefect could score a maximum of 65 points. After preparing the tally of all the aspirants, the top 4 candidates for each post were officially nominated for the election from grade 11th and 12th and top 2 from grade 8th. The nominated candidates were provided a stage to address the whole school online on 14th and 15th July. Immediately after completion of their speeches, the online voting was conducted between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. on 15th July. The students and teachers were eligible to cast their vote. A single voting form was raised for neutral prefects and house prefects to avoid confusion. A voter was supposed to vote for 8 neutral prefects and 3 of her house prefects. The vote cast by mistake to other house prefects be duly cancelled after verification. For example, at 139 serial number, we have a Kirti Kedia who has voted in this way. Here she must be of a one particular house. Accidentally she voted for all the contestant of the day, and in that way her cross voting for other houses stands cancelled. Close to 90% polling was officially registered. The online polling was duly monitored closely. The election result was presented before senior management team for final approval, and upon approval, the result was published for public display on 17th July 2020 at 5 p.m. My best wishes to the newly elected 14th prefectorial body for their tenure ahead. I would end this report with the quote, "An important attribute of success is to be yourself. Never hide what makes you you." Unquote. Indra Nui. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request the Vice Head Girl Adya Sood to propose the vote of thanks.
A nice and pleasant evening to one and all present here. Respected Madam Principal, Madam Vice Principal, Deans, teachers and my fellow schoolmates. I, Adya Ritesh Sood, Vice Head Girl, consider it a privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who work to make the 14th investiture ceremony a success. Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. Let me start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we were able to make this event what it was. Even in our virtual lives, events like these don't happen overnight. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution who are full of enthusiasm and well-versed in their job. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. A special mention to our respected Madam Principal, Mrs. Divya Dwivedi, for giving us the opportunity to have an online investiture ceremony like never before. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank the Dean of Activities and her team for her untiring efforts. We were fortunate to be assisted by the Head of Sports Department, Sir Sanjay, Sir Sumanjit, Sir Sahil, Ma'am Diksha and their team. Even though handling online events like these is not an easy task, they effortlessly managed to administer the ceremony. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event happen. The IT department, the non-teaching staff and the administrative staff. A special thanks to Tulika Murarka for her efforts and willingness to manage the event behind the curtains. My sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children would not have been able to achieve excellence. Lastly, a big thank you to each one of you for being patient and attending the 14th investiture ceremony. I once again thank everyone for making this program a huge success. Thank you.
Let us all rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Success always comes when preparation meets opportunity. Our young leaders have taken up this opportunity to do small things in a great way from today. We wish them all success. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening ahead.